Hello, I'm Will Sampson from FDMC Magazine and the Woodworking Network. We're in the shop today to talk about dust collection on a drill press. Drill presses are really a challenge for dust collection, and there really aren't a lot of drill presses that have dust collection on them. And I don't think I've ever seen one that has it built in as part of the system like it is on so many other woodworking machines. Now, a few years ago, I did a review of a product called Drillnado, which was an accordion-like hose that mounted on the quill of the drill press. And it did really well for dust collection as far as extracting all the dust and chips that you made. But it was terrible for visibility because it enclosed this whole area here. So it was hard to see what you were doing. Now, an inventor named Trish Nelson has come up with what she calls the extractor, which is a different approach to the dust collection on a drill press. She has taken the brush style enclosure that you see on CNC machines and similar type machines, and then used a 4-inch take-up to suck all the dust and chips up that way. And it provides a lot more visibility. You can see what's going on, and in fact she's even got a little light in here that you can turn on, and we'll go into a close-up so that you can see that in just a minute. But it's very well thought out, and it's designed to mount on just about any drill press. It uses simple hose clamps that mount on the central column, and that allows you to really easily slide the device up and down. And there's all sorts of adjustments that you can make so you can make it fit in your situation. You can mount it into a fence or have it freestanding like I have it here. Now, I added on it this baffle right here so that I can leave it all hooked up and turn it on and off on my dust collection, my central dust collection. You can mount it to a central dust collection, you can mount it to a shop vacuum, all sorts of options. I think that's been her main focus, is to make it reasonable. It's under $100, and make it adaptable to just everything. One of the most clever adapter parts of it is back here. You'll see this string. It might look a little silly, but it's really clever. To hold up a hose, you just take this looped string, and there is Velcro on this arm, and you can just wrap the string around on the Velcro, and it holds it sturdily, and there you go, it's right there. Very clever. Well, now let's shift the camera and move in and give you a close-up view of how it works. Okay, we've moved the camera now to give you a closer view of how this actually works. One of the things I wanted to point out was the neat little light that's in here so that you really have great visibility inside while you're using it. So let's turn on our dust collection and let it run up to speed. And we'll turn on the drill press. And show you how it works with a Forster bit. Pretty good dust collection. Lots better than without having anything on there at all. So definitely worth checking out. That's it for today. You can see more tool reviews and new product reviews and the latest woodworking news on our website, woodworkingnetwork.com, or in the pages of FDMC magazine. If you want to learn more about the dust extractor from Nelson's Shop Solutions, you can go to Nelson's Shop Solutions, all one word.com, and there's lots of videos that she has on there, and you can see all the options. Neat device, definitely worth checking out. That's what we've got for today. Thanks for watching.